Red ball. Still by Pau. Pasa kay Akbo. Very fast. 2 points by Akbo. Okay, Ventura. The wingman. Oops. Speed move. Ang ganda. Rebound by Sales. Pasa kay Nico. Okay. Akbo. De Los Reyes. Akbo. Wait. Pau. Nico for 3. No good. Oops. Nice, Pau. Nice defense. Sobra mo na. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, rebound by Tai. Oops. Nico. Season, dribbling the ball. Pasa kay Pau. Again kay Nico. Ang ganda. Pero di pumasok. Ventura, mag-isa sa kabila. Okay, 2 points. Okay. Number 55, pasa kay Akbo. Akbo, kay Pau, kay Nico. Oops! Wala. Rebound by... Okay, still by Mendoza. Mendoza. Yes, sir! Just like that, tabla na ulit. Sales. Coast to coast. Ay, wala! Sayang. Mendoza. Dribbling the ball. Crossover. Pinasa kay 24 kay Ventura. And 1. Number 12. Foul by number 12. First personal foul. First team foul.
Nice pass, bro.
Good for substitution. Oy, lucky pass. 26-23 in favor of Red Knights bowlers. De Los Reyes open 3. No good. Rebound by Ventura. Oy, ang gandang pasa. Ay, sayang. Nice assist sana. Okay. Okay, foul. Set up. Akbo for 3. No good. Quick rebound by Mendoza. Irvin. Yes, sir. Grabe talaga silang Panyama. Agarong Kalabaw. Pau. Pinasa kay Nico. Kay Pau again for 3. No good. Rebound by... Okay. It's a red ball. Time out. Takbong Pogi. Next game po natin, Allegra Royals versus Blue Voyagers. Ready na po tayo. And for our third game, time remaining 6 minutes 45 seconds. 28-23 ang score in favor of the Red Knights.
Mm.
Okay, back to the ball game. Gabriel Ventura, pinasangay 69, pasa loob, ganda. Gabriel, 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Ventura with the spin move, pinasangay 69 for 3, no good. Pico for the rebound. Push kay De Los Reyes. Mika takbola, takbong Bongi. David, pasa kay Brett. For 2, wala. Rebound kay D, wala. Kay Gabriel, alright. 2 points by Gabriel, number 25. Oy, nice steal. Up. Number 25, pushing foul. Third personal foul kay 25 and second team foul. Kay Brett, pinasa kay David. Solo na. Yes sir. 25 again. Gabriel for 3. Oy! Again! Sayang naman! D for steal! Okay, Brent. Push lang, Brent. Okay. Down na, pinakita ang mga action dito. Brent. Kay D. Pasa kay Brent, 5 seconds. De Los Reyes, yes sir! 2 points by Ty De Los Reyes. 29-28 ang score natin in favor of Takbong Bongi with 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Foul by 25. David. Okay, David, that's your 4th personal foul. 13 foul. Okay, pasok ang first free throw. 29 all. Okay, hindi pumasok. Rebound by De Los Reyes. Nico, binasa kay Cerveles. Okay, red ball. Wait. Injury. Hindi naman sadya. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 4 minutes, 12 seconds remaining before the end of third quarter. Oh, my idol, Capliso. Coming off the bench. 69. Up. Rebound by Nico. Nice D. Brad. Pinupush. Up. Foul by number 20, Capliso. Second personal foul. First team foul. Side ball, side ball. Side ball, side ball. Sa baba ang foul, hindi siya shooting. 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Velez. Brad. 6 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Put back 3 by Nico. Ventura, pinush. Oops, it's a foul. Foul by number 31. First personal foul and fourth team foul. Substitution. Hoy, nahangin. Hinangin, iwagi. Oh, tapos. It's black ball. Bren, oops! It's foul by number 77. First personal foul by number 77. Second team foul. Sa baba ang foul. Ay, it's a shooting foul. Shooting foul po ba? Okay, shooting foul 2 kay Bren. Nice touch by Bren. Let's go! Takbong pogi! Oy, rebound by De Los Reyes! Pinush! Wala! Yes, sir! 2 points by number 31, De Los Reyes! Capliso! Pinasa kay Ventura for 3! Tapos, Capliso again! Block by Vico! Nice defense by Takbong pogi! Gabriel! Wala! Rebound by De Los Reyes. Oops! Akbo, pasa kay Mito for 3. Tapos, rebound by De Los Reyes. Yes, sir! 2 points by 31 De Los Reyes. Idolo ko yan. Tay De Los Reyes. Ventura. Nice D. Gabriel, pinasa kay 69. Ang ganda. Easy 2 points by number 69. Assist by number 9, Gabriel. Ganda ng assist niya. Akbo. Oops. Nice D kay Red Bull. Akbo, pinasa kay Brent for 2. No good. Rebound by Castillo. Okay, red ball, out of bounds. Score po natin 37-31 in favor of Takbong Pogi with the time remaining 1 minute 49 seconds before the end of regulation.
Di na kaya eh. Tapilok na sakit ko.
Get ball soon, Rayo. Sana okay ka na next game. Castillo for 3. No good. Long rebound by Boss Blue. Pasa sa kanyang anak. Akbo. Up. No good. Walang foul. Tabliso. Oh! Oy, honest ang ating. Ano ba yan, Sir Salas? Huwag kang maging honest kung mga ganyan. Ang nakita na yung ref sa atin sana. Okay, it's red ball. Oops! Ang ganda ng pasa na yun. 69. Akpo. Rushing. Pasa kay Boss Lou. Boss Lou for 3. No good. Wembley. Kay Tabliso. Very fast. Nice one, Tabliso for 2. 37-35. Just like that. Dalawa na lang ang lawang ng Takbong Pogi. Akbo for 3. Yes sir! Back shot 3 by Akbo. Number 12. Alam niyo bang 3 points na ngayon? Matindi. Ice in his veins. Oy! Pasa kay Ventura. Walang foul! Rebound by Sales. Akbo! Nag-rush. Oops! Good ball daw. And it's out of bounds. Bola ng Takbong Pogi. Nice defense by 77 Castillo. Okay, 27 remaining. 27 seconds remaining sa third quarter with 19 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Uy, tingnan mo. Uy, ano niya yung bola? Okay, game ball. Oops! Steal by red ball. Oy, Tabliso, ang bilis! Ang bilis ni Tabliso doon. 40-37. 17 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Boss Lou. 5 seconds. Uy, high flying shot! Grabe naman yun! Talagang hot hands si number 12 Akbo.